Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. And today I'm going to be sharing some useful tips regarding LinkedIn with you. That how can you share your profile link that you have made on LinkedIn? How can you share that unique link with somebody? And if you want to share it on LinkedIn or any other platform, how do you do that? And how can you save your profile in PDF, your LinkedIn profile? So I'm going to be taking you to the screen, and over there you can see live how we are going to do this. So here we are on the screen. This is my LinkedIn profile. You can also open the LinkedIn profile that you have made. I hope each and everyone has a LinkedIn profile. So what you're gonna do is, it's simple. Just come over here and go on view profile. In the view profile section, your LinkedIn profile which you have made is gonna open, and it shows all your details. So if you want to send your profile to any person on LinkedIn, it's very easy. Just go on more over here, and over here you can see share profile in a message. So you click this, and over here you can see right down there the link that is mentioned, that is your LinkedIn profile. It's mentioned right below. So it will be sent to any person that you want on LinkedIn. So if you have any connections on LinkedIn that you want to send to, for example, I write Abdul Tawfiq. This is a person that I want to send my CV to. So I can share it to this particular person, my CV down there. You just need to click send, and your CV will be shared with that particular person. Now, if you want to share the link of your profile through email or any other platform, it may be WhatsApp, it may be Facebook, that's also very easy. You can go up here, edit public profiles and URL. You click here, and over here, your unique, here you can see linkedin.com Zohaib Nasir, and here is this unique number. You just copy this, and then you can share it with anyone through email, through WhatsApp. Your LinkedIn profile will be shared with that particular person. So this is how you can share the CV or your LinkedIn profile or any other platform. Similarly, if you want to save your LinkedIn profile that you have made right here, if you want to save this profile into a PDF format, that's also very simple. You come here on more once again and save to PDF. Just click on that, and you can see right there your profile is in PDF format. So just like this, you can share this format as well with any person on LinkedIn or any other platform as well. So hope that you like the video. If you do like it, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be coming up with some more videos. Thank you so much.